Bill Lantz here, wanting to tell you about a company that you would love and possibly make some money on too. It is Exitus Elite. Even the basic G100 plan will give a blueprint of the following to which you could learn. Big ticket machine. Inside this course, you are about to discover the secrets to the big ticket success. You want to hit the jackpot right and make a huge amount of money. 10K blueprint. They have tried a few different approaches in internet marketing and have not made a single dollar. So how are they going to make $10,000 in 3 short months? Social messaging apps for marketers. Social messaging apps include WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Skype, Instagram, and iMessage. Facebook groups unleashed this as a huge mistake, seeing as Facebook groups are really what allow a business to go from being a small fish in a big pond to a giant heavy hitter. Instagram ad success. It now has 1 billion active users and businesses of all kinds are seeing excellent results from setting up a profile and advertising with Instagram. Big business blueprint. Why is it that in this world, there are rich people and poor people? Have you ever wondered what makes the difference between these two groups of people? What makes them get the results they want in their life? Is it their rich background? Email list secrets. How to promote your mailing list. These would be some of the questions that most internet marketers and bloggers are asking successful internet marketers. With a blog, probably the most common way to promote and grow a mailing list is through a landing page. This is a single page on your website that will be dedicated to selling the merits of signing up. Cryptocurrency secrets. Cryptocurrency is a digital version of money where the transactions are done online. A cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange just like your normal everyday currency such as the USD, but designed for the purpose of exchanging digital information through a process known as cryptography. As you can see, this is what you get with G100 plan. You can start from there or you can enroll in the G250, G500, or G1000, and coming in September as the G2000 plan. I'd like to take you along with me if you let me. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Look forward to talking to you soon. Bill Lantz. Call or text anytime 317-527-0032. Connect with me on Facebook.